Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locating the claim in YouTube Studio and reading the exact wording because the remedy depends on type. Once done, note the claimant, the track, and whether they allow monetization or block. Make sure you gather any licenses, receipts, project files, or timestamps proving ownership or permission. If you have a license, prepare the file and the license number. If you recorded original audio, assemble session files. This first step sets up a supported dispute or an editor fix. Next, decide whether to fix in the YouTube editor or contest the claim. If the claim only affects monetization or time-limited audio, replace or trim the segment and publish the change. If you have a valid license or ownership, click Dispute, clearly explain why you have rights, attach proof, and list timestamps. Be concise and factual. If the claimant offers revenue sharing, weigh speed versus control. Make sure to save copies of all submissions and expect a response window of days to weeks. For final steps, watch the claim's status and act on the outcome. Accept a claim, remove the audio, or proceed with a counter notice only when you are certain you own the rights. Once resolved, update your records with the resolution and any claimant correspondence. If a dispute is denied and you still believe you're right, consult an attorney before counter-noticing because it has legal risk. A quick troubleshooting tip: if responses stall, politely request clarification from the claimant through YouTube's contact options or through their listed channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.